So the different episodes and series will come in order to read the complete English sentences with the children. Before that, we need to learn about the phonic sounds and we need to know about the sounds of each letters, alphabet's 26 letters. Okay. Our motto is our kids need to show the interest how to read. We should not pressurize the children. We need to be very friendly so that they will also feel interest to learn. So we'll go stage by stage. The first stage is phonic sound. So let's get started. Let's start.
Yeah.
The first letter is A. The phonic sound of letter A is ant. And will you say
Ant.
apple?
Apple.
The second letter is letter B. The phonic sound of letter B is
Ball.
yes. Ball.
Ball.
Next letter is C. The phonic sound of letter C is cat. Letter is letter D. The phonic sound of letter D is drum. Drum.
Dog.
And the next letter is E. The phonic sound of letter E is egg. Egg.
Elephant.
Yes. And the next letter is F. The phonic sound of letter F is fish. Fish. It should be the A. Fish. Good job. Next letter is letter H. And the next letter is letter H. The phonic sound of the letter H, it should be like breath on the arm. Hop. Hop. Yes. And the next letter is letter I. The phonic sound of letter I is insect. Insect.
Igloo.
The next letter is letter J. The phonic sound of letter J is, we need to stretch our hands. Jelly. Jelly. Juice. And the next letter is letter K. Both the C and K will have same actions but different sounds. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kite.
And the next letter is letter M. The phonic sound of letter M is meal. Monkey. Monkey. The next letter is O. The phonic sound of O is ox. Ox.
Octopus.
The letter is letter P. The phonic sound of letter P is like blowing the candle. Puff. Puff.
Pig. Pig.
The next letter is letter Q. The phonic sound of letter Q is, we used to sing, right? Duck in the water, quack, 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 quack. Duck in the water, quack, 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 quack.
Quack.
And also, queen. Queen.
Queen.
Letter R. The phonic sound of letter R, it should be like rolling the hand. Rat. Ring. The next letter is letter S. The phonic sound of letter S is sun.
Snake.
Next letter is letter T. The phonic sound of letter T is tray.
Tennis.
The next letter is letter U. The phonic sound of letter U is umbrella. Umbrella. Letter W. The phonic sound of letter W is wind. Wind.
Watch.
The next letter is letter X. The phonic sound of letter X is X-ray. The next letter is letter Y. The phonic sound of letter Y is like, you know the yogurt, right? Yeah. Yogurt. Yogurt. Hello.
Hello.
Is letter Z. The phonic sound of letter Z is